Hello, we're doing 4-2 day 1, example 3. We're going to graph f of x equals x divided by x minus 6. Again, remember, we're going to start with our vertical asymptote, sorry, apparently I can't say that word. And to do that, we're going to set our denominator equal to 0. My denominator for this one is x minus 6. So we're going to do x minus 6 equals 0. Again, to get x by itself, I'm going to add 6 to both sides. And when I do that, we get x equals 6. So on my graph, I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to draw lines straight up and down. This is our vertical asymptote. For our next one, or horizontal asymptote, remember you're looking for one of two things. The first one is your degree of your denominator. If that is bigger, then your asymptote's going to be y equals 0. The second is if the degrees are equal, then it's going to be a fraction of your numbers out front. So I notice we have negative x over x minus 6. Remember, these each have a sneaky little degree of 1. They're not written, but they are there. So that means our degrees are going to be equal. So that means we're going to take a fraction of our numbers out front. Now you're probably looking at that saying, Miss Sylvester, there aren't any numbers out front. Well, there is a sneaky little 1 in front of our x on the top and on the bottom. So really, we have negative 1 divided by 1. When I do negative 1 divided by 1, I get negative 1. So that means y is going to equal negative 1 in our case. And that is our horizontal asymptote. You're going to go down 1, draw your line straight across, and you're good to go. From here, we're going to go to Desmos and graph it. Let me shrink it so I can actually see my equation. So my equation is y equals negative x divided by x minus 6. All right, and if I look at that graph, let's actually close this so we can actually see our graph. So if I look at my graph, I'll zoom out a little bit. You go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and notice that is my asymptote. You also go down 1, and that's your asymptote, so we did it right. That means that my little boomerang is going to be up here, and it's going to be down here. All right, and that is how you graph f of x equals negative x divided by x minus 6. From here, you should be going to Schoology to finish today's homework. If you have questions or need help, please reach out to your teachers. Thank you so much for watching.